Good morning, everyone. We shall start the session in another 30 seconds. I think we are good to go now. A very good morning, everyone. Welcome to Prevail with William O'Neill India. This is Rajasekhar Kongari, equity research analyst. Disclaimer for this podcast is that whatever the stocks we discuss here are only for educational purpose, should not be taken any advice for buy or sell. Let's get into Nifty's daily chart, how the Nifty is placed at this current moment. This pink line is a 100 EMA, which is a crucial level for Nifty historically. Nifty is currently trading above that level. This is not an updated chart actually. There is one more candle missing. That is yesterday's Nifty closed lower, but it closed above its 100 EMA. Also, Nifty yesterday was down more than 0.2% on volume, higher than that of Friday's session. Hence, we have considered that yesterday's session as a distribution day. Distribution day is very key. It helps us to track weakness in the market. Currently, we are in confirmed uptrend. It is very crucial for us to track the weakness in the market. How the market is expected to in the current in the next sessions is determined by the distribution days. If there is any further accumulation of distribution days, that is 3 to 4 distribution days, then we'll change the market status to uptrend under pressure. In such a scenario, our approach towards the market will turn cautious when we change the market status to under pressure. Currently, we are in confirmed uptrend and we have been adding stocks to our model portfolio. However, we have been very selective while adding stocks to a model portfolio. We are adding only very strong breakouts or very strong companies which are reporting very good set of numbers and showing good buy points both on technical and fundamentals as well. So this 100 DM is very key level for the Nifty in the coming this week and coming week as well. That level is held and Nifty reclaims its 200 DMA, that is currently at 17,000 level, the black line. Then we can expect further upside from there. Until Nifty stays below 200 DMA, it's very turbulent and it will be very volatile trading sessions. Talking about some key companies have reported their earnings yesterday after market hours. One of them is Axis Bank, a key private lender in India. Some of the key metrics to look for in the Axis Bank is that net interest income has grown 21% year on year. Net interest income is that difference between net interest it has earned from the loans and minus the interest it pays for the deposits. That has grown to 21% to 9,300 crores. On the other side, PAT has grown nearly 100% to 4,000 crores. This is mostly because of lower provisioning that the bank has done during the quarter. Any bank will do provisioning for the bad loans which the company is expected to see in the coming quarter. However, Axis Bank is looking at lower bad loans. That is the reason they have decreased their provisions. You can see the asset quality wise also the company has improved. You can see gross NPS have come down 6 BPS on the quarter basis to 2.76, and net NPA has fallen 9 BPS to 0.64%. This is one of the key metrics to look for any bank earnings. Another major company is Tata Steel has reported. You can see revenue has grown 19% to 63,000 crores. However, PAT has declined 13%. You can see revenue has grown, but the PAT has declined. This is very bad because input costs has increased during the quarter, especially coking coal and gas prices because of sanctions to the Russian gas prices across the Europe have increased. That is the reason the input costs for Tata Steel have increased, and but higher tax expenses have also led to decline in the PAT. Tech Mahindra is one of the major IT companies also reported their results. You can see revenue has grown 5% sequentially to 12,700 crores. PAT has come down 25%. So we might see some selling happening in these stocks during the session. Lupin, a major pharma company, has received a US FDA approval for its abbreviated new drug application for its tablets, which will be manufactured in its Nagpur facility. So this stock will also be under radar today. Talking about the key stocks which will be reporting numbers today will be Asian Paints, Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj Auto, L&T, Tata Power, KEA Industries. These stocks will also be under radar today. So we might expect some action happening in these stocks, both on upside or downside. Coming to global markets, I can see US markets have been very volatile yesterday. They have closed mostly on the flat. Asian markets have also been mixed. You can see Shanghai has trading at 0.5% higher. Nikkei down 0.2%. Kospi also 0.2% higher. So it's more of like flat trading happening across the globe. SGX Nifty is also indicating a flat opening for Indian market as well. You can see it is currently trading at 16,600 level. Yesterday Nifty closed at 16,631. So any 20-30 point lower opening is considered mostly as a muted opening. So likewise to global markets, we might have a muted trading session in India as well. Talking about the chart of the day, we have picked Maruti, which is our buy watch list stock. I can see here the stock has been trading in a cup-based pattern. It has been very wide cup base, approximately 4 to 5 months of wide. You can see this pivot is at 9,050 level. Another 5% from here will have a breakout, and you like the volume to be also on the higher side when the Maruti is breaking out of its base pattern. You can see some key metrics here. Number of funds have been increasing quarter on quarter basis, which is a good sign. Price strength is also slightly come down recently. However, when the stock breaks out, we might see RS rating also picking up and hitting blue dots. EPS is slightly on the lower side at 51, mostly because of decline in EPS. The stock has reported in December and September quarters last year. However, if the company comes up with good results in this quarter, for June quarter, we might see EPS rank also improving. Master score is at 75, which is a very good rating. On the overall front, stock is a very good, fundamentally strong company. There is no two ways about it. Technically, the stock is also giving about to give a proper buy point. That is the reason we have added this stock to our model buy watch list. Yeah. Thanks for joining Prebel. Have a good trading session, and we hope to see you again at today's